Hello, friends. Good afternoon to all of you. And once again, I take this opportunity to interact with you all. I was sitting here and I thought that whether running has changed my life in any way. And when I introspected, I found, of course, it has changed for a betterment. And so today I want to discuss with you all that how running has changed my life. For almost a decade or so, I am in this profession of running. Uh, as far as I remember, I was posted in Jaipur in 2015, and from there onward, I made a habit to go to a nearby park early in the morning and do running and other stretches. And that was my habit. Throughout my 3 or 4 years tenure there, I made it a habit to go for a run, and thereafter I used to go to my office. So, friends, as far as running is concerned, it has changed my life for betterment. And foremost, I think it had taught me to be disciplined. Though I was earlier also, I had respect for being disciplined, but running has made me more disciplined because discipline leads you to a systematic way, the way you do things, and ultimately this discipline leads to confidence in you. It makes you confident to do anything in proper way and not in a haphazard manner. You plan your things, you do them in a right way, but not always. There are certain instances when you need not be in discipline mode. For instance, as far as I see, whenever I am with my grandkid, I need not be in discipline because my grandkid ask me to become horse for him and he will ride on me. On another occasion, he will ask me to dance with him. So these are the things you need not be disciplined there. But overall, when you do your activity, suppose for me it's running, I take it sincerely. I do it with my whole heart in it. And then second thing, what I think running has made me more strong to be disciplined. To be punctual, sorry. Punctuality also makes you a good personality. You know, if you are a punctual person for anything, for your profession, you will be well in time. You will plan beforehand what you are going to do. And this creates confidence in you, make you more humble, make you take life in a positive way. So these are the things which punctuality teach you. People will try to respect you since you are punctual, you are beforehand at any occasion. Then, as far as the running is concerned, practice is needed. And I do agree. Without practice, it's very difficult or not possible to achieve anything. And this practice needs hard work. So these are correlated. If you will practice anything, you will put your heart in it, you will go for hard work, and that will make you more clear about your goals, you will be nearer to your goals, and that makes sense. Friends, life is such, you don't know about your next moment, about how it will take a turn. So, whatever time you have, whatever time you spend, make it best out of it. Then, what I think, concentration is also an aspect which leads make you more clear about your goals. Concentrating on a thing leads to being patient, to work thoroughly, not to be misguided, and this goes as per your age.